Let's clear this area quickly. Keep the yellow string safe, mate. Watch out for that bucket. We're almost done here. Time to level the soil.
Line 6 check. Okay, checking. 45 degrees, right angle. Copy that. Peg placement correct. Drive it in. Done. Verified. Moving on.
The trench looks good. Bring that wheelbarrow over. Almost there with the depth. All right, we're done here. Let's pack up. All right, bring the rebar over here. We need more wire. Ensure these are plumb. Supervisors are coming. Good, everything is secure. Time to pack up. Mixer's ready. Start the pour. Watch the levels. Use the poker. Move it along evenly. Bring that fill material over here.
Watch that corner. Make sure it's level before we compact it. Bring the mixer down this side. Okay, vibrate that section now. Keep the screed moving, make it smooth. Lower the bucket slowly now. Make sure it's fully compacted on this side. Alright, moving to the next column. We need to clear all this waste material now. Pass me the broom, let's sweep the entrance. Make sure the mixers are clean before we load them. Lift that board into the framework. Make sure it's secure. Where is the cutout for the spotlight supposed to go? Check the electrical schematic, it's marked there. The oven is in place. Connect the hood. Check the alignment on these drawers, making sure the sink connections are tight now. Testing complete on this line, it's live. Good. Progressively energizing the remaining circuits now. Check the alignment with the laser one last time. Looks perfect. I am securing the fixture now.
The cushions look perfect there. How about the centerpiece for the dining table?
Yes, I'm just finishing up the console accessories.